Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the better quality in the CapCut PC with 4K 4K resolution. Alright, so select your video with normal quality and just editing the video, and after you finish editing, you can select export in the top right corner. Just click on it. So you can get as you can find the resolution option and etc. So if you want to get the 4K quality, just select the resolution and change to 4K. Okay, just click export. But if you change the resolution, it will be changed the size also. Okay, so just click export and you can get the better quality, which is the 4K quality. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.